Hey everybody, welcome back to Run and Gun. I'm so glad to have you here, and this is another milestone episode for me to say thank you to you. 2018 has just been an awesome year. The amount of community support that I've gotten for my channel has been ridiculous in the past couple months. I hit 500, 600, 750, 800, and I'm about to hit 900 subscribers. So to say thank you for each and every one of you being awesome, I'm going to be giving away 2 more LUTs. The first one is going to be my Dark and Moody LUT, and the second one is going to be my Travel Feels LUT. I've been working on these for the past couple weeks, so I hope you guys enjoy them. The only thing I ask is don't put them in a pack and don't sell them. They're free for everybody to use because you guys are awesome. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how you use the LUTs or how you plan to use the LUTs. So speaking of giveaways, let's talk a little bit about that studio giveaway that I hinted at in one of my last videos. I have 3 lights to give away. All white lightnings. I have 2 3200Xs and a 1600X to give away. That would make 2 awesome main lights, a good hair light or backlight to complement the main lights. To be entered to win in this contest, make sure you subscribe and then just leave a comment, a useful comment on one of my videos. Let me know how you would use the studio if you won. And as soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be shipping that studio out to one of you. And then we're going to have to come up with another giveaway, say 2,000 subscribers. Well, that gives me some time to think about what I want to give away next. So that is all for this episode. Make sure you guys like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more run and gun videos. And until next time, as I always say, get out and go shoot.